Welcome to our guide on gardening with clay soil. Today, we'll explore how to make the most out of this often challenging soil type. Stick around to learn about the benefits, the best plants for clay soil, and some handy tips to get your garden thriving. Clay soil can be a challenge for many gardeners. It's dense, heavy, and holds water longer than other soil types, making drainage an issue. But instead of fighting it, why not work with it? Some plants thrive in clay soil, taking full advantage of its rich nutrients and moisture retention. If you've struggled with growing in clay, I have great news. Certain plants don't just tolerate clay, they love it. Today I'm revealing 5 of the best plants that thrive in clay soil, so you can enjoy a lush and productive garden without the frustration. Before we dive in, I have a small request. Please don't skip the ads in this video. It helps me keep creating useful gardening content for you. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to share it with fellow gardeners. In this section, we'll delve into the vibrant world of daylilies and coneflowers. These two plants are not only beautiful, but also incredibly hardy, making them perfect additions to any garden. Stay tuned as we explore their unique characteristics and care tips. Now let's get started. Daylilies, the resilient beauties. If you want a plant that thrives in tough conditions, look no further than daylilies. These stunning perennials don't just survive in clay soil, they flourish. Daylilies have deep, fibrous roots that help break up compacted soil, improving aeration over time. They also tolerate wet conditions better than many other flowering plants, making them ideal for clay's slow-draining properties. With minimal care, daylilies bloom year after year, adding vibrant color to your garden. They come in a wide range of hues, from deep reds and oranges to soft pastels. To give them the best start, mix in some compost before planting. Over time, their root systems will work to loosen the soil naturally, improving its structure for other plants. Coneflowers, pollinator magnets that adapt to clay. Echinacea, commonly known as coneflowers, is a top performer in clay soil. These hardy perennials have strong taproots that push through dense soil, helping to create natural drainage pathways. Once established, they require little maintenance and can handle periods of drought and excessive moisture, both common issues with clay. Coneflowers are not just practical, they're also stunning. Their bold, daisy-like blooms in shades of purple, pink, white, and yellow attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. The deep root system not only improves soil structure but also allows the plant to access nutrients from lower soil layers, making it a self-sufficient addition to your garden. Both switchgrass and black-eyed Susans are excellent choices for enhancing your garden's biodiversity. Switchgrass is particularly effective in stabilizing clay soils, while black-eyed Susans offer vibrant yellow blooms that attract a variety of pollinators. Together they create a resilient and visually appealing landscape. Switchgrass, the clay soil stabilizer. For gardeners looking to add texture and movement to their landscapes, switchgrass is an excellent choice. This native grass thrives in clay soil and plays a crucial role in improving its structure. With deep fibrous roots, switchgrass helps prevent erosion and compaction, making it an excellent choice for stabilizing slopes or areas prone to water pooling. Beyond its practical benefits, switchgrass provides year-round beauty. It starts with lush green growth in spring and summer, turning golden in the fall and remaining as a striking feature throughout winter. Because it's a native plant, switchgrass is low maintenance and supports local wildlife, including birds that feed on its seeds. Black-eyed Susan's the tough yet beautiful bloomer. Black-eyed Susans, also known as Rudbeckia, are another top choice for clay soil gardens. These cheerful golden yellow flowers not only brighten up any space but also bring resilience to your garden. Their root systems penetrate dense clay, helping to aerate and break up compacted areas over time. One of the best things about black-eyed Susans is their adaptability. They thrive in various conditions, from full sun to partial shade, and require little watering once established. Their blooms attract pollinators and beneficial insects, creating a healthier garden ecosystem. Plus, they reseed easily, so you'll have beautiful flowers returning year after year. Hostas are not only beautiful but also fantastic for improving clay soil. Their extensive root systems help break up compacted soil, enhancing drainage and aeration. Over time, this can lead to a much healthier garden bed. Additionally, hostas are incredibly low maintenance, making them a favorite among gardeners who want stunning foliage without too much fuss. They come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and colors, offering endless possibilities for garden design. So, if you're dealing with challenging clay soil, hostas might just be your perfect solution. 5. Hostas, the shade-loving clay champions. If you're dealing with shady areas in your clay-heavy garden, hostas are the answer. These foliage plants are known for their lush, leafy appearance and incredible tolerance to different soil conditions, including dense clay. While they prefer moisture, their roots are strong enough to push through compacted soil, making them an excellent choice for improving drainage over time. Hostas come in various sizes and colors, from deep green to variegated shades of blue and gold. Their ability to thrive in low-light conditions makes them perfect for shaded garden beds or under trees where other plants may struggle. Pair them with ferns or astilbes for a lush, woodland-inspired look that thrives in clay soil. How to help these plants thrive even more. While these plants love clay soil, a few simple steps can make their growth even more successful. Start by incorporating organic matter like compost, leaf mold, or well-rotted manure to improve soil structure. Adding a layer of mulch helps regulate moisture, prevents compaction, and encourages beneficial earthworms that naturally aerate the soil. Over time, these amendments make clay soil more workable and supportive for plant roots. Well, there you have it. We've covered a lot today, haven't we? Remember, gardening is a journey, and every step you take gets you closer to that beautiful, thriving garden you've always dreamed of. So don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and experiment a little. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and share your gardening experiences with us. Happy gardening, everyone! In conclusion, work with clay soil, not against it. It might take a bit of effort, but the results are well worth it. With the right techniques and a bit of patience, you'll find that clay soil can be a gardener's best friend. Clay soil doesn't have to be a gardening nightmare. By choosing plants that naturally thrive in it, you can turn a challenging garden bed into a thriving oasis. Daylilies, coneflowers, switchgrass, black-eyed Susans, and hostas are 5 of the best choices for working with, rather than against, heavy soil. Their deep roots, adaptability, and resilience will help improve soil structure while providing stunning beauty year after year. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Hydro Haven for more in-depth gardening tips. Share this video with fellow gardeners so they can discover the beauty of gardening in clay soil too. Happy gardening!